Hey everyone, I'm Patrick Beck with the Hideout brand by Keystone RV, and today I want to show you a really cool floor plan that's brand new. It's our 320 MBDS, our mid bunk. On the exterior is where we're going to start. This is an all new redesigned fifth wheel from scratch. It used to be tan, we had a different front cap, so for 2020 we wanted to bring out something awesome, and we did it. This front cap, you're going to notice it has a windshield. It's a really cool feature. From the bedroom on the inside, you can look out. Gives it a really cool look. We're really excited about it. We have the RotoFlex pin box. You don't typically see that on a mid $30,000 price fifth wheel. We put it on there. It works really good. Coming this way, we also installed the Furrion backup and side camera prep. The dealer can actually add a camera on each side. The back camera, it gives you a much safer way to travel. Check out your blind spots going down the road. We thought it was a cool feature, so we added it standard. Inside our 320, massive storage. Passes through, it's finished real nice. You have great lights on both sides. Perfect place to put everything. Up above us we have this nice large awning, LED lit, gives you a lot of outdoor space. Along with that, new for this year, we added the pre-lit exterior speakers. That goes with our Bluetooth Furrion radio on the interior. It's a really great touch. Coming this way at our entry, we went with the LCI solid step. It's a really solid, firm step. It's a great feature. Gives you a really safe, sturdy way to go in and out. Now we're in the interior of the all-new 320 MBDS Hideout fifth wheel. Some of the spotlight features of what we did in here is really where I'm standing, the kitchen. We're going to give you just tons of countertop space. A nice peninsula coming out. These countertops are seamless pressed countertops. Because they're seamless, you don't have to worry about moisture soaking in, damaging any of the countertops. This sink is a stainless steel single basin undermount sink with a pull-out faucet. It's going to have a sink cover that's going to match the countertop. When we put that on there, it's just going to maximize all of our space. Again, we have our new glass inserts with our lighter wood. Microwave hood vent, the Furrion glass top stove and burner. Down here is just a lot of storage space. We'll come over here, we'll show you all the storage inside. We really try not to waste any space when it comes to inside the kitchen. We're also going to give you a large 8 cubic gas electric refrigerator. That's really cool when we have a spot, maybe we don't have full electric hookup. Also standard is this large HD TV, our Furrion radio, Bluetooth. We give you USB ports for all of your charging. You can set everything right here on this ledge, right above our 5100 BTU fireplace. That's 32 inches wide. It's going to just generate some really nice heat to knock off the chill on those cool nights. We'll come over here up above. We have more storage. Those are going to be right above our large panoramic window facing the back wall. Our tri-fold sofa, that's going to come out. It's going to give us a lot more sleeping area. Coming over here, inside the large slide box, we're going to start right here with our theater seating. This is standard. These are going to kick out. You can recline. The seating is directly across from our large HD TV. It's just awesome to hang out. Maybe it's bad outside, just chill in here. It's a great area. Now this unit, we put in the optional table and chairs. Gives it that home feel. It's just a real nice touch to go with everything else that we've done. Lots of lights up above us. Lots of lights in the slide box. We're going to give you for the windows, blacked out shades, dark tinted windows. These windows are going to open up in our slide box. Going to give us great airflow, large exit windows, just a really good feature. This unit here has a ducted AC in the attic, which is standard in all of our hideouts. Skylight, let in some natural light. Over here, again, we're going to give you a standard central vacuum system. That's going to come with a 30-foot hose and all the accessories. You can vacuum this entire coach without a problem. Now here's the star of the show. Right here in the middle, this is our triple bunk area. You have 1, 2, 3 stacked on top of each other. Each unit has its own outlet and light. Storage underneath that bottom bunk. It's a really fun feature. We'll come upstairs. Inside the bathroom, you're going to have glass shower doors with a seat inside the shower. Now heading further in the front of the coach, we're going to give you this queen size bed. There's the windshield. That's on the front nose. It's got blacked out shades. It's going to come down for privacy. We have black shades on either side of the bedroom. Great storage area. Wardrobe closets, hanging bars, storage inside, pull out drawers. And I'll go ahead and switch, and I want to show you guys this awesome wardrobe area. Just a lot of storage. Great place for it. Inside the bedroom, we've equipped this with the optional second AC. That's going to cool this area specific to the bedroom really fast. We're going to give you an area where we can hang that television. You just want to hang out here and chill. Maybe the kids are out there. You want some privacy. You can do that in here. We'll come back out here. Just one last time. This is the all-new Hideout 320 Mbds. This is our mid-bunk. Very unique to the industry. We're the first to bring it. It's been a real hit so far this year. I want to thank you guys for taking the time. Thanks.